I think there's some confusion about calories and how the human body uses them. To learn more, stay tuned. You don't need the gym to get in the best shape of your life. Video, we're talking about those sneaky little buggers that tend to add weight around your midsection, right? That's what calories are. That's actually wrong. First off, we'll clarify what calories actually are, and then we'll go over a few ways to build and burn more. So, what are calories? Well, according to Oxford Languages Online, and they are the energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water to 1 degree Celsius, and they're equal to 1,000 small calories. I'm talking big C calories here. And they're often used to measure the energy value of foods. That's what they are, energy. In the terms calories and energy can be used interchangeably. So what do you do to maximize your calories burned? Because the human body is always burning calories and therefore fat. But what do you do to enhance that every day? If you do work in an office, consider biking for your commute. You can burn a lot more calories on a bike than just sitting in the car. These next ones you can do at the office or at home. Just move. Like movement burns calories. Just sitting does too to keep you alive, but not as many. I mean, even if you just stand at a standing desk as I am, that can burn up to 400 calories more per day. And take the stairs. I do this a lot and pace, and as well as fidget. Don't tell your kids not to fidget, and it's not a bad habit. And studies have found that even those tiny movements add up to large amounts of calories additional to your basal metabolic rate. So I hope this helps you, especially over the holidays. And while you're with your family, do something active like go for a hike or play games like croquet and volleyball. Have fun with them. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.